everyone, welcome to Vertical Movement PT. I'm Dr. Cindy Kimmy, physical therapist, and this is my husband Kevin.
Hi.
Today we are going to help you out because we know that you have that significant other or you have that family member or friend that you have no idea what to get them for Christmas. So I'm going to show you how to do a soft tissue mobilization technique to help reduce neck tension. So maybe you can go ahead and give a gift of service. But all right, let's get started. All right, so the first technique we're going to learn is how to reduce upper trapezius tension. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put not your elbow, unless you're trying to be mean and torture whoever you're doing the routine on, but use kind of like the meaty part of your forearm, and you're gonna go ahead and put it right on the upper trapezius. So it's this like meaty part here on the top. It's where everyone feels all that tension in their shoulder. You're going to place your weight on there and put your body weight forward because that helps save your arm strength. And what you're going to do as you pin down that muscle, you're going to go ahead and have the person you're working on side bend their head away to stretch the muscle and then bring it back. How does that feel?
Good.
Good. And you're going to go ahead and have that person do that 10 times, nice and slow. And what this is called is a tack and stretch. You are tacking down the muscle as they are going into the movement to stretch the muscle. This is going to help relieve that muscle tension that they're feeling and that neck pain. It's probably one of the best things you can do for someone at the end of a workday. So repeat this 10 times. Next, we're going to go ahead and do a Levator Scapula release. So what you're going to do, it's the same idea, but this time you're going to find the bony part in the back, that's the scapula. You want to get the very top inside corner of the scapula. So if this is your scapula here, or you're also known as the shoulder blade, you want to go ahead and grab that part on the very top inside corner. And that's where the levator scapular muscle attaches. So you're going to put probably your elbow would work best for this, but just be nice. Don't torture your person. Pin it down and lean into it so that you can use your body weight to help with the force and not hurt yourself. And then go ahead, you're going to have your person lean their head forward and look at their opposite armpit. And back up. So I'm just guiding his head to give him the direction, but I'm not putting any force. He's doing all of the movement. And how does that feel for you?
Really good.
Cool. So you're going to repeat that about 10 times. And that's it. Next, we're going to go ahead and do the scalene muscle release. And this one is so great, especially if you had a very tense day or you had a day filled with so much anxiety. We tend to breathe with our shoulders and our neck just like this when we tend to be a little bit stressed. So this is one of the best things you can do. You're going to grab your fingers here, maybe the first 3. Make sure you cut your nails because you don't want to claw the person. And then the scalenes are on the side of the neck. There's 3 of the muscles. There's the one in the front, and that's the anterior. The one in the middle, and that's the middle. And then the one in the back, and that's the posterior scalene. So you don't have to be specific, but just go ahead and put your fingers, run it down generally along the side of the neck. And the scalene's attached to the first rib and the second rib. So the first rib, they're about right over here, and the second rib is just below that. So you're just kind of stroking down all the way to the base. And then you're going to have the person lean their head the opposite direction to stretch the scalene. So I'm going to guide his head. So go ahead and lean towards the right. All the way to the base, and then back up. You're going to repeat that 10 times. All right, our last routine is a nice pec stretch to help relieve all of that tension in your chest from sitting down at a desk all day long or having a long commute. So go ahead, put your hand behind your head, and then you're going to put your hands on their elbow you're gonna ask them to push into your hands. So push into my hands. Hold that for about 7 to 10 seconds. This is called a contract relax technique. Okay, and go ahead and relax. Then I'm gonna pull their elbows back, giving them a nice stretch in their chest. You don't want to pull back too hard, and this stretch is not for people who have shoulder impingement syndrome or who have pain lifting their arms up over their head. So make sure to clarify with whoever you're working on if you could do this with them. Okay, and then you hold it for 30 seconds, and voila. You can go ahead and repeat this about like 2-3 times to help relieve those rounded shoulders. And there you have it. You have learned a routine to help reduce neck pain. Go ahead and give it a try on your loved one and let me know what you think. Go ahead and comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that button and subscribe. But alright, we'll catch you guys next time, and Merry Christmas! Bye-bye!